building an indie business in the center of venture capital. I am Alex Edmonds. People on the internet call me Supreme, Rum Him, and this is the Building an Indie Business podcast, recorded in the Indie Business Studio. Alright, so today I want to talk about the Convertify blog. I will be starting a blog to promote the Shopify apps. So yeah, I will be doing some writing because that is what I know how to do, essentially. Yes, and Convertify's what do you call it? The domain has been around for a while, so I have that as an advantage. Yes, and I don't know if the domain authority is high. Let's look at it together. Let's find out. It's 47 according to Ahrefs, with only 15 referring domains. It has 9 organic keywords. Yeah, and what are the 9 organic keywords? Convertify, spacer app, add to cart animation. Interesting. Free shipping app. Apps with free shipping. ATC button. I ruined that one. And shoppable image. So basically what I want to do is I want to have a blog that advertises each app. And so the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to write articles. And the first type of article that I'm going to write is alternative 2. So I'm going to find the most popular Shopify app that does the same exact functionality. And then I'm going to write an article about how my app is the alternative to that app. And that way when people are looking up the most popular app, my stuff will show up as well. And then basically I'm going to do I'm going to do e-commerce tutorials, but they're going to be centered around my apps. So there's X away from free shipping, which tells you how much money someone needs to spend to get to free shipping. Well, it shows the user how much money they need to spend to get to free shipping, right? So what does that do? That increases your sales and it increases your average order value. So I will be writing an article about how to increase average order value. And then basically I'm just going to talk about my app. And yeah, it's going to be an ad for my app. And actually, let's Google it right now and see what pops up. How to increase average order value. Where's the enter button? Okay. Salesforce pops up. Paddle pops up. Shopify pops up. Hey now. Yeah. But also, how many people are looking this up? Because to me it doesn't matter. I'm going to be doing this no matter what. Okay. But I do need to find other things to... Well, so I have 6 apps. Maybe 7. Maybe more in the future. Okay. So apparently only 12 people looked this up in October. Interesting. So, yeah. Weird. When I go to 12 months, it says that... Oh, it does it by a week. How about 5 years? All time? Okay. October. No. Go away. October is 12. When you do all time. When you go to 12 months, it shows you way more. So, from the 6th to the 12th of October, 0 people looked it up. But then for the 20th to the 26th, 39 people looked it up. Then 34. So yeah, this is something worth doing. It's a lot of big companies, that's the thing. So I will have to do a lot of work on that. Yeah. So that's going to be the blog. Just basically advertising the Shopify apps. And doing a little tutorial. I still have to figure out how am I going to make it so I can advertise do a tutorial and advertise the product. So let's see, shoppable images. I don't know what to do for that one. I know change browser tab text. That would be how to catch someone's attention. Like when they leave the page. Spacing, how to better design your store, something like that. Button animation, how to catch someone's attention while they're on your product page. Full with product descriptions. I don't know, something about design. And I still have to Google all this stuff. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, they're not giving me a lot of options here. So, there's that. Yeah, so that'll be the blog. And then, I think what I should do is maybe, write one of these articles and then use that in my sales emails that I would be using AI for. And that way it's explaining how my app can help them, what value the app brings to them. Yeah, because I really don't know how to do sales properly. I know, okay, list the benefits, X away from shipping will increase your average order value. It'll get you more sales, and things like that. And the way it does it is it gamifies, the purchase process, something like that. And yeah, I don't know what else to say about that. That's the blog, basically. And then I guess once I start doing the research and I start writing, I'll have more ideas. I might just do general tutorials, and that way when someone else is Googling something related to e-commerce, they'll stumble onto my things and I can get customers that way. I think that'd be good. I don't know if a blog, okay, we at this podcast know that a blog is a good idea, always, for everything. But I don't know, how exactly to handle the blog, or what's the most effective way to do the blog. So that'll be something. I have to Google around, find out things like that, I guess. Yeah. And then another thing I could do is I could take the blog posts and post them, guest posts to other places related to e-commerce. Yeah, I don't know, e-commerce pubs. And then get a backlink one, but then that'd be a way to get in front of more people and people that aren't in my audience. So I'd have to find out what pubs would be appropriate for my content that I would be writing. Like what pubs would want an article about how to increase average order value, basically. And then also I'm doing an ad, so they would have to accept that. So yeah, that's the blog that I'm planning. I don't know when this is gonna start. Maybe next year. I haven't decided. I have to do the research first and then see what I can do. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.